there is a Bronco for every driver, and no two Broncos are alike. The Ford Bronco truly gives you the freedom to forge your own built wild path. Now, I've just begun to scratch the surface of all the amazing capabilities that the whole Built Wild family has. But if you have any other questions, you can ask me. We also have some very knowledgeable product specialists here on the show floor that can answer any Ford question that you may have. Now, while you're here, I want to let you know what Ford is offering every single licensed driver 18 or older. Ford wants to pay you $50 just for test driving your favorite Ford vehicle. That's right, you heard me correctly. Ford will pay you $50 just for test driving your favorite Ford. Now, how do you do that, you might ask? You can come find me. We also have Steven and Audrey right next to you over here. We can all send you that auto show exclusive invitation straight to your email. You have 2 months to take that into any Ford dealer.